Tandem Air has the ability to deep clean carpets like nothing I've ever seen before. So I'm gonna take some more sand, we're gonna put it down in the carpet. This is a pink sand on a black rug. We're gonna go over this really good. Several passes. I know many people would stop by now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do something. Explain what's going on here is I'm gonna take off the bag on this vacuum cleaner. And we're gonna replace the bag with a little plastic dirt scope. Gonna put some clean filters on there. And we're just gonna put this in place of the bag. It's gonna sit right there. Let's do a pass up and back. Take our dirt scope out. You'll just see a bunch of sand that was left behind. Tandem Air's two motors working together give you deep cleaning that's gonna prolong the life of your carpet. So if you want your carpets to be clean, protected, you want a good deep cleaning vacuum, find a Riccar retailer near you.